ever done. So it's a product review on my favorite brand L'Oreal and Sabyasachi. So they introduced lipsticks, mascara, eyeliner, kajal and whatnot. And so I picked a kit in which you have, I think, a kit, eyeliner, mascara and lipstick. I ordered like a whole kit, but I got it in 3 different boxes. I don't know, but I'm really happy, and let's see what's inside this. I did open, the first one is the kit. I'm most excited for the kit because, oh my god, you have Sabyasachi and L'Oreal this, and I'm a big Sabyasachi fan. So this is how the kit looks. Oh my god, from inside it looks so luxurious, and I just love the material. And the rate of the kit. Okay, the kit was free. The overall price, I think it's a bit of because I'm not sure. They had a lot of offers. So basically, I think the entire kit was 50,100. Discount 2,400, and they had an additional discount on net banking or something. So I got it at a pretty good deal. See what is in the other bin. This is the lipstick and eyeliner. So they come in this really good packaging, and in which L'Oreal and Sabyasachi do together. I love both the brands. So let's see. This is the eyeliner. Oh my god, the eyeliner looks so classy. It's the liquid black super liner waterproof eyeliner. Rated at 600 rupees, but due to discount I got it at a very cheap rate. I'll just open it and see. Yeah, the wand is so thin and it's just perfect for a really nice winged liner. If you have seen the Aishwarya Rai's look in the Sabyasachi Instagram page, you will know what I'm talking about. So I am excited to try this. I think at the end of the video I'm just going to give a swatch of everything. So yeah, this one. Then moving on to the lipstick, I'm super excited about this lipstick. And this lipstick is for 750 rupees if you buy them individually. Shade 231. And oh my god, just look at the packaging, guys. It's so beautiful. The gold is really nice. I think the gold and black theme is just perfect. It looks very classy as well. Moving on, I think the last one is the mascara. The mascara is packed like really nicely. Yeah. So this is how huge mascara is. Again, really nice packaging. This mascara was for 890. 890 for a mascara is too much, but let's see how it is. Just look at this product, guys. It's the Volume Million Lashes Extra Black Mascara, and let's open it. Oh my god, I can see the tiny bristles for the perfect liner. So as of now, I just love the products. They look really nice, really classy with this